Did she open her eyes today? Marcus, at some point, we have to deal with this.
The hatred I feel for you right now, I feel like I'm gonna just kill you. I'm gonna strangle you.
I know. And I deserve it. I know sorry is not going to change anything, Marcus. But believe me, I am truly, truly sorry.
For what exactly you're sorry about? You're sorry, so I'm find out.
No. That everything went the way it did.
I raised her. I sent her to the best schools. She's a half of me we never expect for have. Give her anything she want. Yeah, me know me and her have a little differences that we never get along. But I love her as much as we love God in heaven. And you're gonna tell me, say, I can't pick me this.
I wish I could make it better. Change everything. But I can't, Marcus. I can't.
And how exactly would you do that? You would Come to think of it, you've been getting around, haven't you? Carlton, the lawyer. You're the wife of a politician, Michelle. You try and keep your legs closed.